Our pizza monkey bread is stuffed with cheese, garlic, and marinara sauce. The best part is you don't have to make any dough. In a bowl, add Oleco safflower oil, Italian herbs, red chili flakes, and garlic. Mix until everything is well combined. Place your pre-cut biscuit dough in a bowl. Add your Oleco oil mixture to the dough and toss everything together. Make sure each piece is well coated. Add mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, and pepperoni to the dough. Lightly grease your bundt pan. This will help your monkey bread come out evenly when you flip it after cooking. Add pepperoni to the bottom of the dish. Toss in half of your biscuit dough and top with half of the marinara sauce. Add in the remaining biscuit dough and remaining marinara sauce. Bake for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Once your monkey bread is finished baking, carefully flip it onto a plate. We love to top ours with Parmesan cheese and basil. You can find more delicious pizza recipes on our website.